BILITOOLS Wheel Brake Hub Cleaning Kit. Hub Cleaning Toolkit for the optimal cleaning of the wheel brake hub. Burned and corrosion residues are completely removed in a quick and easy process. With inside square 12.5 mm inside square collet for attachment, for example, to pneumatic, cordless, and corded impact wrenches. Turn it on to the lowest speed setting possible. Begin moving the pad around the wheel, letting it speed up to 1,500 RPM as you go. Velcro fastening for quick replacement of the cleaning wheel and hub. Correct alignment of belt drives laser alignment tool belt. With the lab set, you are never in doubt of whether your belt transmissions are aligned or not. By using the V-grooves as reference, you will achieve precise alignment, which reduces belt wear, bearing failures, and vibration. ISC's Laser Alignment Solution lab set contains 2-line laser transmitters, making alignment far more accurate than single laser head types. Each set is equipped with a range of magnetic spring-loaded guides which snap into the pulley grooves. This makes it very easy to mount the laser units on the pulley. Inductor PDR Baton Attachment. The Inductor PDR Baton is an optional heating attachment that allows technicians to remove soft dents by heating the panel. The PDR Baton works as an extension of the Inductor series, which is a powerful 2,000-watt, 120 volts line of induction heaters, which uses flameless heat to easily remove a variety of hardware and components. Unlike traditional PDR or paintless dent removal, the flameless heat created by induction heating is the cleanest and fastest way for fixing hail dents, door dings, and other minor soft dents. There is no need to meticulously massage out from the backside of vehicle panels, especially in hard-to-reach areas, or areas difficult to get behind. The result is a clean dent repair in a fraction of the time compared to a conventional PDR tool. Laser Tools, CV Bootgun at Partbusters. The quickest and most effective way to install flexible CV boots with diameters up to 115 mm. Designed and made in the UK, the Bootgun uses a compressed air supply to stretch the CV boot onto the drive shaft with the minimum of effort. The Bootgun is simple to use. Just connect the air line, slide the boot onto the tool, expand the arms, push the boot into place, and remove the tool. Can be used for both outer and inner boots without dismantling the joint, saving time and money. Ideal for the professional workshop for fast, clean boot installation. WDT 250 Water Drain Cleaning Tool. The 250 cleaning device is used to clean the water drains on the sunroof. Soiling caused by leaves or other residues can be easily removed. All commercially available standard cordless screwdrivers can be used as the drive. The tool consists of a wire holder with a closing lid for the adaptation of the cordless drill. The tool is driven by a standard cordless drill. The cleaning shaft is a special shaft with flocking. Wheel Slogger. BILITOOLS Universal Strut Spreader Tool. This easy-to-use suspension strut spreader tool can quickly help you remove the spring strut from the wheel bearing housing. Work on most of the vehicle equipped with a pinch bolt style hub. It is the perfect removal tool for car spring strut and spherical hub bearing seat. Parallel pressure surfaces prevent the tool from accidentally popping out or slipping off. Our suspension strut spreader tools are carefully crafted using high-hardness carbon steel material for high strength and durability. TECHNOVECTOR 7. Up-to-date, top-selling traditional 3D TECHNOVECTOR alignment system. Decades of proven machine vision technology combined with affordable pricing. The implementation of the system technology measures car wheels' angular parameters using cameras that analyze reflected images from attached to wheel targets. Video cameras are built using CMOS technology. Reflected radiation processing wheel images allows for calculating the relative position of vehicle wheels with high accuracy. Measurement results obtained with video cameras are processed using a Windows-operated computer. Creepex Fastback Pro. The Fastback Pro was chosen to appear as prop for Puerto Rican actress Audrey Arjona playing the role of Bix Colleen, a human female and mechanic who is the owner of Colleen Solyard in the free trade sector of Planet Ferrix. For the series, the Fastback Pro was retrofitted with undisclosed features. It was decided by props to have the creeper move on its original wheels, rather than repulsor lift. Star Wars' anti-gravity technology. AHCON DSL double scissor lift. A perfect invention for heavy loads in the workshop, such as electric cars, SUVs, and so on. Imagine to be able to lift as much as 3.500 kilograms directly from the floor. Thanks to the groundbreaking and innovative construction of the AHCON 3500 Danish kroner, it is now possible to lift up heavy electric cars from the ground. AHCON 3500 Danish kroner also offers the possibility to mount the two scissors with a variable distance, and thereby making it usable for many types of vehicles depending on the tasks in the current workshop. The lift can be mounted both in and on the ground. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.